So I saw this mattress on TikTok, and after I see, what it does, I decided to get one for my son. So I got the 12-inch mattress, and it came in a box, mattress in a box. So we unbox it, and now we're putting it on the bed. So let's see what if it does what it says it's supposed to do. See how flat it is? Okay. Okay, let's see. It's already swollen. Forget that knife. Oh my God. That knife, look, I'm about to slay somebody. But anyway, I just use it to take it out of the plastic. Okay. Looks good so far. Yeah. Okay, so now that we have put the mattress on the bed, and it's not fully inflated. It's like an inch left to inflate. It says within 24 hours. So my son is going to work shortly. So he won't be able he won't be lying on the bed until late when he comes from work tonight. So it will be inflated by then. And it looks good so far. So we're gonna spread the bed and see how it looks for the final display. That's it, guys.